Namaste, welcome to today's session. I am Ekta Singh and today we'll be doing session related to asthma and bronchitis. If you like, you can do the session along with me or you can just sit and watch and try it out later. We'll start with standing in front of our mat. We'll start with lifting the both arms up and straighten out your arms, stretch it above your head into Tadasana. Squeeze your stomach in. Keep your chest lifted, stretch, stretch, stretch. We'll stay here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly push your chest forward, push your hip forward, taking a small gentle back bend. Now stay here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly lean forward and down. Now from here, slide your palm onto your shin, lift yourself halfway up, keeping your spine long. Pause and breathe. Now slowly lift your head up, chest up. Now open your left leg to your left side into warrior 2 pose, Virabhadrasana 2. Bend your right knee, keep your left leg completely straight and push your arms into straight line, squeezing your stomach in. Try to maintain a straight line from your head to your hip. Now stay here for 5 count, looking at your right fingertip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly bring your left palm onto your waist. Bring your block in front of you if you need it. If you don't need it, you can put your palm on the ground. It's your choice. We are getting into Ardha Chandrasana or half moon pose. Now from here, lift your back leg up, putting the weight onto your block. Lift up. Now, if you want, you can lift your left arm up and look up towards the ceiling for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly step your foot down, nice and easy. Release your foot, come back to warrior 2. Now we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. You can do it along with me. Bring your both the palms forward and join your palms in front of your chest. Now we'll open our right leg to the right side. Bend your left knee, keep your right leg completely straight. Turn your pelvic region towards your right side. Stretch your arms by your sides. And look at your left fingertip. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we'll get into Ardha Chandrasana. Put your right palm onto your waist. Bring your left palm onto the block or you can put your palm onto the ground. Now from here lift your right leg straight up. Tilt your pelvic. Now from here either you keep your palm onto your waist or lift your right arm up towards the ceiling. Stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your foot down. Coming back to warrior 2. Now we'll come back to center. Bring your right leg forward. Now from here, come onto your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your palm right below your shoulder. Keep your feet together into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up. Pause here. Keep your elbows bent. Push your shoulders away from your ears and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release yourself down. Now from here we are getting into upward facing dog. So slide your palms slightly down. Keep your feet together and inhale. Lift your head up, chest up. Lift your knees above the ground. Lift up. Pause here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring yourself down on the ground and bend your both the knees for Dhanurasana, bow pose. Hold your ankle. If you're a beginner, try to keep your legs apart, but if you are already practicing yoga, you can try to keep your knees together. And then inhale, lift your head up, chest up, thighs up. Pause here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring yourself down. Bring your palm right below your shoulder and lift your hips up, dropping your hip onto your heel, getting into child's pose. We'll release the tension from the back muscle. Stay. Breathe. Now slowly lift your head up, chest up. Come to the center of the mat. Now, if you have a block, you can use a block under your hip and sit onto the block while you drop your elbow down on the ground for Supta Virasana. If you're comfortable here, you don't need a block. Now we'll get into Supta Virasana for the count of 5. There are multiple levels where you can stay. Either you just stay here keeping your back straight, chest lifted if it's too painful for you. If not, you can try to drop your elbow down on the ground. Keep your chest lifted and pause here if this feels alright. Then you can try to go further down, keeping your head on the ground. You can take your arms above your head and hold your opposite elbows. And just stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To come out of it, put your elbows on the ground first and lift your chest up. Then lift yourself completely up, coming on Ustrasana or camel pose. So then keep your knees hip distance apart. Keep your stomach pulled in. We'll start with the simple version of Ustrasana, which is keeping your palm on the back. Now from here, first push your hip forward. Keep your chest lifting up and inhale. Exhale. Start pushing hip as much as you're comfortable and look up. We'll stay here for the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come back to center. Now we'll get into the original form of Ustrasana. For that, you take your right arm behind, hold your right ankle. Take your left arm behind, hold your left ankle and push your chest forward, push your hips forward and pause here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your right arm forward, bring your left arm forward, then bring your chest forward. Release your hip down onto your knee and relax yourself into child's pose. Just release the tension from your back muscle. Now lift your head up, chest up, come out of it. Now we'll lie down onto our back. Lie down on your back. Now from here we'll be getting into Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. In order to get into shoulder stand, we'll be using the traditional method. Lift your legs up, hips up, and support your back. We'll stay here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your legs 45-degree angle behind your head. Bring your palms down onto the ground and slowly bring your legs down on your mat. Now from here, bend your both the knees. Keep your palms by your side for bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Keep your palms by your side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and inhale, lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Push your hips as high as you are comfortable. Once you feel you have reached your maximum, you can interlock your fingers below your hips, bringing your shoulder blades close to each other and pushing your hips a bit higher. I will stay here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly release your palms by your side, release your hips down. From here we'll get into Chakrasana. If this is not in your practice, you can avoid this asana. If this is in your practice, try to get into the posture. We'll place the palm right below the shoulder. Keep your feet close to your hips and hip distance apart. Push your head up, bring your crown of the head on the ground. Adjust your palm and slowly lift yourself up into Chakrasana. We'll stay here for the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come out of the posture. Release your hip down. Hug your knees into your chest. Hug it nice and tight. Now open your arms to the side. Now bring both the knees to your right side. Make sure your knees and your legs are on top of each other and your shoulders are down on the ground. Now stay here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back to center. Bring both the knees to the other side. Again, make sure your knees and your heels are on top of each other. Stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back to center. Release your legs on the ground. Release your palm. And you can relax yourself into Shavasana. So this was the sequence which you can do for asthma and bronchitis. If you want more details, please look into the description. I will be providing some lifestyle changes and some food options which you can try out in order to fight with asthma and get better in your health. Thank you so much.